Well, here we are to another toolbox tour. Now, here's to start with is my Allen keys and reference books and cards. I've got the tape measure, glasses and wedges. First drawer is pliers. You've got different type of pliers, circlips, you name it, it's probably in there. And you get the second drawer down, it's sockets. There's AF, metric, with all the sizes on, and screwdrivers and electrical screwdrivers. And here we have, we've got AF spanners, adjustable spanners, and for some reason I've got a British pipe standard. Then you get further down and there's the storage shelves with the side. Got the heavy drawer. In here I've got the electrical testers, some Tipp-Ex, hammers, paint tin openers, and a nail puller. And look in the bottom, got the chemicals which you can't see in the back. And to the side I've got everyday, like my levels, straight edges. There's a notepad.